Want to walk like a professional model? In just 90 seconds, I'll show you exactly how. Let's start with the foundation. First, check your posture. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back, and keep your chin parallel to the ground. Engage your core and keep your chest slightly forward. Now, let's add the walk. Place one foot directly in front of the other. This is called the crosswalk. Your feet should create a straight line. Walk with confidence and purpose. Let your hips sway naturally. Keep it subtle, not exaggerated. Keep your arms relaxed with a natural swing. Hands should be soft and delicate. Keep your gaze focused ahead. Don't look at your feet. Put it all together. Shoulders back, core engaged, feet in line. Practice makes perfect. The more you walk, the more natural it becomes. Now let's add the turn and pose at the end of your walk. At the end of the runway, square up and pause for 2 to 3 seconds. Execute a smooth turn by pivoting on the balls of your feet. Front leg leads the turn. After the turn, walk back with the same confidence and technique. And that's it. You now know how to walk like a professional model. Practice these steps and you'll be runway ready in no time. Now go walk like you own it.